Alright guys, today we're up here at Alfredos Resort. It's a big old swimming park here. Actually it's in San Fernando here. And we are celebrating our daughter, Hannah Grace, her 9th birthday today. And it's a very beautiful park. And we're going to check it out and show you around here, show you how cool it is. But that's what's going on today, guys.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, mag-wish ka muna, tapos sunod ka. Mag-wish ka muna, then you do the camera. Anong bawal-bawal? Dahil bukan ni sa kinilaw, dahil? May kukuan.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Alright guys, yeah, we rented this little hut here for the day. It comes with a video machine. We had a bunch of food, as you guys seen or didn't see yet, I don't know. But yeah, we rented this little hut. Very nice. Comes with electricity. But yeah, they got quite a few of these huts all the way down through here. It's really nice here, very beautifully landscaped. But yeah, there it is, guys. Alright guys, we're getting ready to head into this aviary behind me. It's like a little petting zoo. They got some birds in there. I think they got a couple big snakes in there. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out. Alright. Lydia has a great fear of snakes, and this is a great breakthrough. Alright guys, yeah, I'm going to take a little walk around here so you can see what the park looks like here. It's a very beautiful park, and yeah, like I said, we're going to just take a little stroll around here so you guys can check it out. wave pool going right now. Gonna go in, we're gonna check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm heading up now. I'm going to hit the water slide here, check it out, and go down, and you guys are going for the ride with me. So that's where I'm heading right now. Guys, I think I'm going to wrap it up for the day. Like I said, Alfredos Resort here, just inside San Fernando. Beautiful place, as you can see. But remember guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Give me some thumbs up, thumbs down. The choice is always yours, and we'll talk to you guys later.